Welcome, I'm is a Realme 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, which can be located in your app tray right over here. And when you tap on it, it brings up, well, this window right here, and actually nicely of them, it gives us the option to import contacts straight out here. As you can see, import contacts from SIM card. So you can simply tap on it, but assuming this might not be visible, you can also go to the settings, and from here you have import export contacts, and then import from, I believe, storage. Nope. Let's see. Oh, there we go. We needed to find the way to do it. So when you're in settings, you have the SIM card contacts, and then it shows you all the contacts on the SIM card. You can tap on the two dots right here and go to export or import. Not really sure which one it's going to be depending how you look at it. So yeah, it's going to be export, and then you select the contacts that you want and export, merge. Let's go merge, done, and I believe there should be, there we go, on our device. So that is how you would import contacts. Now in here it was export because we're viewing it from the SIM card. It's a little bit of a mix up there, but that is how you would do it. As you can see, the contacts are now on the contacts list. And yeah, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.